Hi guys! So I'm Crystal Diamond and
I'm Brianna Beauty,
and basically we decided that we were going to do this video today because it's basically like a funny video because we were talking about like all the different random items you can find in like a female bag.
women, eh?
I know, and we just thought we were going to go through all the things that you can possibly find and just, you know, just have a little chat, and then you can comment below and let me know if you carry all these items in your bag as well. So yeah, let's get this going.
Okay. Ready?
So what do you bring in your own bags? Like, I bring so much stuff in my own bag.
Same. It's
like,
so bad.
I know, and even like I have like my work bag and I like clear up my work bag for like work, and then within like a couple of days it's like full of like so much stuff again, like you can just never like clear it out. So yeah, I'm sure we start with like the first item. Yeah, okay.
Okay, so I would say the first item in all women's handbags would be
umbrella.
a handy umbrella. Like,
Definitely.
this, whew, that wig, that front, this one, keep it, okay guys?
Like, definitely, because as well, like in the UK, like in Manchester where we live, it constantly rains. Like, you just never know when it's going to rain or when it's going to stop.
Even though, we've got to give it, this year has been really, really good, so well done Manchester.
Yay, so we always have to have an umbrella in our bag.
Umbrella is key, ladies.
It is
Key.
so. The second item is...
We've got a big handbag.
Yeah, we've got like a massive handbag.
Oh gosh, so much stuff. Right. Second one
and
is
cream.
a trusty. Let's see if we can focus.
So I always have an and cream in my bag. Do you?
I always do, because as black women,
Yeah.
or as black people in a whole, you know, our skin is not really used to this environment, so we're gonna need like that extra moist.
And don't forget to get in between here.
It has no, that's right, or I hate, that's not my pet peeve is seeing dry foot and dry hands.
And dry hands.
Don't do it. Don't do it, ladies. We are better than that, okay? Okay, so the third item in a woman's handbag is
a book.
I feel like not all women do this, just to clarify. Some, not all. I do sometimes. I'm not such a book advocate, but I do know I would carry it sometimes. Like when I did live in London, I would carry a book just to keep me company on the underground, and you know, knowledge is power at the end of the day.
Yeah, so it is. I feel like you'll definitely need a book if you live in London. So yes, definitely.
So the fourth thing that women need in their bag is
A deodorant.
This handy arm spray. I call it arm spray, but yeah, you need this, ladies. Like,
You do.
And I know all women do carry this anyways in their
I would like to think every single woman should. So
I hope so too. But yeah, all women, I do know, do carry, because we do like to smell like roses.
exactly.
Awesome.
And some people might bring a roll-on instead. I'm more of like a roll-on person, but I am kind of like moving towards like the spray. So yeah, because it's dry, whereas your roll-on is quite wet.
Yeah.
So yeah. So we're on to the fifth item now.
Yeah.
And the fifth item is
a trusty, handy iPhone. I'm not saying like phone, iPhone. You Samsung users needs to go. Right.
Exactly, like buy Samsung.
Android users, you know.
Honestly, like I feel like everyone always has the phone in their bag. Like it's necessary for like every single thing you can think of. Like
so
literally.
True. It's so true.
So
you know, the selfies, pictures.
Yeah.
The phone calls, you know. all of that.
I tend to use my phone a lot for like map as well because I'm very bad with direction. So I always use like the
map. Don't want to know half of what I've got to go through.
Exactly. I always use the map on my phone, and sometimes I'll use like my notepad, you know, to get notes and stuff like that. So yeah, phone is like really, really handy. It's 2018. Everyone's got a phone, and everyone needs to have an iPhone.
Definitely. Okay, so I'm not doing this. When I do it. Okay, so this one is literally me all over.
Yeah, it
so
is.
the 6th item we have as ladies in our bags is a big or a small makeup bag.
Yep.
This is a nice medium sized bag, very, very nice. But you know, like women, we all need this in our bags because stop looking at that, sorry. Right, we all need this in our bag, you know, for touch-ups, if we're going out, and if you have oily skin, that would be amazing because you can use a powder and literally get a brush, dab it into the powder and block oily skin, and that will keep you matte.
Exactly. And then the 7th item is she's laughing because she finds this purse like so ugly, but I like it. Is a purse, guys. So it's very good to have a purse because in the purse you can keep your like cards, your bank cards, and you know, so on. And as well, I feel like a lot of people these days have stopped carrying purses though.
Oh, it's actually true.
Yeah, like it's weird. Like,
but with bank cards, what I do, I do have a purse by the way, but with my bank card, what I do is actually put it behind my phone case. So let me see where my phone is. So this is my phone case, iPhone, and then my bank card is just in here.
That is something new.
It's just easy and handy.
It is easy. I've seen people do that before actually, but
I love it.
Yeah, it's true, and I feel like those little purse, you know, them little ones, them little card ones.
Oh yeah.
So I feel like people are like doing that quite a lot these days. I don't know if it's like a thing or how long it's gonna last for, but I feel like you definitely still need a purse. You know, definitely. So yeah, this is like another item. And also when you go in some people's purse, there's so much receipts and just crap, there's like money from all over the world as well.
It's so
like
true.
It is crazy.
But you know, one time when I was working I seen a woman come in and she had an envelope and that was just full of receipts, and that was her receipt, like little purse.
Oh my god.
And I was like, oh okay, so you organise it like that. So the 8th thing women carry in their bag is a charger. And you know, we all need a charger to actually charge our phone throughout the day because we're not always at home. So yeah, a charger is handy.
Definitely. And now the 9th item is, now I know you're probably wondering what this is, but it's a notepad. So it's up to you what size you want, but I quite like this one because it's like cute and stuff, but it's always good to have like a little notepad. It's just handy to like write stuff down in. You never know, like your phone might be too low, or you know what I mean, like, so it's always good to have like a little notepad for something. So I like to carry like a little notepad around in my bag. I usually carry like a smaller one than this, but I'm just using this as an example for today. So yeah,
definitely.
Yeah.
And if ideas are always running through your head every day, it'll be really nice. Obviously we have smartphones now, so you can actually use your smartphone to write down like ideas, but it's just always something about pen and paper that you can actually use.
Yeah, I agree.
It's true. So the 10th item that women carry in our handbags is a comb. Tail, jumbo comb, all combs.
Whatever
we have a comb or a brush or a Denman brush. That one's key, ladies.
Yeah.
But so yeah, we always carry this, you know, to part the wig, comb through the hair, you know. So I'm actually using this times out actually.
I know, that's exactly what she's doing.
But yeah, so we always need this just to, you know, keep ourselves looking cute throughout the day.
That's true.
It's different ones.
Yeah.
Just stronger one.
That's even like better than the smaller one. So
definitely.
yeah. Defo.
Yeah. See that, the transformation.
Exactly. Look at that transformation just by having a comb in your bag. It is necessary. Necessary. And the 11th item is now wipes. So, you know,
key.
Definitely. And it doesn't matter what wipes you use. Like, I like to use baby wipes, to be honest.
Yeah, no, baby wipes is really nice and gentle for the skin.
Yeah, exactly. Like, I'm trying to think, because I know it's so handy as well, but like a lot of the time as well, if I go somewhere to like eat, and sometimes I'll just take a wipe out and just like wipe my hands. You know what I mean? Like, or if I'm out eating and then you're not close to like a tap.
Yeah,
like
no, it's true.
Yeah, if something catches your clothes, like a stain, or it's just something, you just use a wipe.
Handy.
Yeah,
definitely.
Defo handy, guys.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay. So the 12th item that, you know, us women. I love this.
Perfume. You've got to have a perfume.
Listen to me right now. If you don't carry perfume in your bag, I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know.
I just don't know, honestly.
Because
it is just necessary.
I don't know what to even say.
Yeah, you want to smell nice. Like,
I have to like, oh, that's. Oh.
Yeah. Sometimes like I'm walking past like people in like the town and I could just smell the perfume, and
I love it.
Those are the type of things that tops up. Like, it's just like you want to smell nice when you walk past someone. You want to smell refreshing. Like, it is necessary, guys.
I love
just get like a small perfume, anything that smells nice at the moment. So yeah, just go for it. Honestly, like this smells so nice.
Very nice. Key. It
is.
I do know a lot of women do carry this anyways in their handbags, like even like going out as well, ladies. Like if you go to like, I'm saying like a lot. If you go to like, alright, if you go to, you know, like a fragrance store, you can get like the little miniatures, and those are really good as well for
I've got
holiday.
so much because you gave me loads. I still have them.
Everyone still had that. I used to hook everybody up.
Honestly,
so yeah, so literally get the miniatures from like fragrance stores, and that can be for a night out, that can be for holiday, so you don't need to have to carry a big actually perfume in your bag or wherever the case is. Just little miniatures, you know, you can good to go.
That is true. So the 12th item is a little tissue. It's always good to have a tissue, and I'm going to tell you like a fun reason why. Lots of times when I go into public toilet, there's like no toilet paper.
No, it's that real.
So it's always good to have a little tissue that you might need to use, or so yeah, it's very handy to have like a little tissue in your bag. Don't be carrying like a roll. A tissue.
You don't
you
do
just
that
need,
in 2018.
Yeah, you just need a small one like this.
Definitely, I agree wholeheartedly.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was the 12th, innit?
Yeah.
So the 13th item in a woman's handbag is.
My favourite.
This is
that is my favourite.
Headphones. I don't know what I'll do with this. I feel so emotional right now, like because going to work, you know, just commuting, whatever the case is.
Yep.
Headphones. listening to music, podcasts, like just do something soothing for your
And
soul.
it helps you to multitask as well.
Yeah, it's true.
It
it's
helps.
just so soothing and just so, it's just amazing.
Yeah, definitely. I love having my headphones. Like, I use my headphones when I'm at work as well, and you know, you pop your headphones in and you're able to do other things on your phone, which is quite good. Go on Instagram or whatever you want to do. But yeah.
No, it's true. I definitely agree. And you know, when you're out as well, people wouldn't be able to listen to your conversation.
Exactly.
Well, they wouldn't anyways. But you know what I mean? Like, you just have that kind of bubble.
Yeah.
That you're in.
That you're in. Yeah. It is true.
Something unique and special.
For me. True. Is that the 13th item? Okay. And then the 14th item.
That's you.
Maybe this is only me.
That's her.
But this is a selfie. It's a selfie phone case, Lumi.
Well, a lot of people do, but they have it on the phone.
See, I don't keep it on my phone because it's a bit too like big. Unless I need to get like the original. I don't know.
What do you got from eBay?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So it needs charging at the moment. But basically, I like to have this in my bag, because if I feel like if I'm feeling myself at some point, or I'm out,
Feeling massive.
And I just like pop my phone in this and just take my picture. I wish I could show you, but it lights up around. I'm sure you know what it is, but basically it lights up and it just makes your selfies look so much better because lighting is everything. So yeah, get yourself a Lumi, guys.
Definitely. Oh, some people use them actually. The ring light one, you know, the little
I've
ones.
seen those ones.
Yeah, I've got that one because that one's a bit more like.
See, so it's the same, but you've got like a different one. But yeah. Same.
So the 14th. No, that was the 14th.
Yeah.
The 15th item is.
You need a
sanitary pads.
Yeah.
Ladies, sometimes to be honest, sometimes we know like when and what time, like what day in fact we're gonna come on. However, we have those moments where it will come unexpectedly, and it's just always good to just have some sanitary pads in your bag just in case for that reason, or even if you're out and another girl, like, you know,
oh my gosh,
may need like
like I always have people asking, and I feel so bad when I don't have it to give to them, honestly.
It's so true.
So
but yeah, so I feel like this is a must, ladies, a must. And I do believe a lot of women do carry this as well.
Yeah, I would like to think so.
Definitely.
Is that the 50th?
Yeah.
You know, memory is like
Yours? Oh.
Mine.
Oh. No, both of us, but I don't even remember how.
So the 16th item is, guys, is a packet of paracetamol. If you're out and you're feeling like a bit sick, you've got like a date, or just, and if you're not feeling well, basically, like, it's always good to have a paracetamol. You just take 2 and then you'll start to feel better.
So the 17th item we have is keys. And you know, keys are to go in your house, either for your car, for if you maybe, what do they call them? People who open your shop, like to work. I can't remember. Key holder. Key holder, whatever the case may be, keys are obviously important to,
yeah, it is.
to go.
Exactly.
No, definitely.
So don't forget to put your keys in your bag, or else you're gonna get locked out. And then the 17th.
No, this is bad. Yeah, the
17th item is some sunglasses. And if you wear test glasses, some test glasses as well. I wear test glasses.
Yeah.
So I like to have sunglasses, and it's like, people don't just wear sunglasses when the sun is like really hot. Sometimes you just put it on to sort of like, kind of like block out like people can't really read you sometimes. Like, do you know what I mean? Like,
so just to like have your own kind of bubble kind of thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so the 18th item that women should carry and need to carry in their bag is a pen.
Yeah.
And you know, this just works well with the notepad that you get, you know, to jot down those ideas and, you know, just writing how you feel, etc, writing down just all sorts. So yeah, just a pen will come in handy, and you know, someone may need a pen. You might have it in your bag as well.
True.
It's always nice to have stuff that can benefit other people as well.
It's true.
Obviously yourself and other people as well.
And the 19th item is, you need, I don't know, but I feel like with me,
granny clip my card.
A granny clip, basically. Sometimes I don't like feeling like hair on me, like I just hate the feeling, so I like to have like a clip where I can just pin up.
Whereas I would have a bubble and just pin up my hair in a bubble, you know. So she has the granny clip, a bubble. Actually, write down which one you actually use. Granny clip or a bubble.
Yeah, exactly. Right. I feel like the clip is better, guys. Like, choose it.
Gets everything. So if you move, if you put that on your head and you move around, some hair's gonna come out. Yeah. Whereas the bubble, it keeps it secured.
I'm trying to find something bad to say about the bubble.
Nothing.
Yeah, the bubble is like really good. I might start using the bubble more often. Yeah.
Gonna learn something today. The 18th product that we have, that women have or carry in their bag, or will need to carry in their bag, is some earrings.
Yeah.
And the earrings are an essential because you never know really, like it might not need to be as dramatic as this, it could be literally just no. Okay, so it might not need to be as dramatic as these, but you know, you could have studs, hoops are my favourite, like hoops are part of my identity basically, but yeah, so it's just an essential, you know, just in case like you're going anywhere, or you may need to you just want to look a bit, how can I say it, look a bit more, not put together, but
out there, like stand out a bit more, type thing.
Earrings are essential for that. This is however teen, we can't remember, I think 19 though. 19. We'll correct it. Right, so the 19th item that women need to carry and should have in their bags is a compact mirror. So this one's just a matching with products in it, and yeah, comes in so handy, like just look at yourself.
I like the amount of times I use like a compact mirror.
I've got a bit lost. But yeah, just
I literally like use it so many times at work because I've got like greasy skin, so I was like checking my skin.
Oily skin because of greasy.
Oily skin, so I was like checking, you know.
No, definitely, and just like throughout the day, like just see what's on your face, because ain't nobody, if you're by yourself, ain't nobody gonna tell you.
It is true.
Like, so a mirror is always good to just look at yourself and just see that everything's just put together and well and how you want it to be, basically.
It is true. Now the last item is, I'm starting to feel like I'm a little bit of a granny, but the last item is, and I'm going to explain why I bring stuff like this in my bag, is a safety pin. And do Jamaicans call it another name? I'm not quite sure.
I feel like they do, but I can't remember.
I can't remember what they call it, but we call it a safety pin, and I tend to carry a safety pin in my bag because I feel like my chest, like sometimes I wear like split clothes. And my boobs might be out and my bra might be out, so I like to have a pin where I just like pin it up on something, or
just having it.
It's just good. Just in case.
Something needs adjusting.
Yeah, exactly. That's the perfect word. So I like to have like a safety pin in my bag just in case I ever need it or anything like that. Do you carry a safety pin? No.
I carry bobby pins, and that's some.
So yeah, as we were saying, like you don't carry safety pins.
No, I carry bobby pins, and that's another essential that women need to have.
Yeah.
Because bobby pins, you know, especially like me or women of colour who wear like wigs and so forth, sometimes you may need to have that flyaway or just something that just needs that little tucking.
That is true.
And I just love bobby pins. Like you never know what the what is it? Yeah, like what might happen if you actually need it. So
that is true. I can recall a lot of times where I need like a little bobby pin just to, you know, fix my hair a bit or something, and I don't have it. So yeah, I think maybe I should get rid of this and start bringing bobby pins.
I need to go through her bag because seriously, I don't understand what this girl is doing.
But yeah, so
that everything.
That is everything.
I still feel like there's a lot more like that we do carry. Can you imagine like women's bags?
Yeah.
This is why our bags are so heavy sometimes. And a lot of the times, even back in the day, when people would fill my bag, they'd be, what, you carrying your whole kitchen, like your whole room, like what are you doing, like carrying so much.
True.
But you know, as women, we like to take pride in how we look, and if we have to carry the whole room, we have to carry the whole room.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, like you know, like Bruna said, I'm sure there's lots more. So if you can think of anything else, just drop a comment below and let us know. And I'll also put Bruna's channel down below. She is a makeup artist and she'll be giving you some makeup looks and so on.
Definitely.
So I'll put her channel down below so that you can follow her channel. And I just want to say thank you so much guys for watching. Definitely thank you. I will be putting out some more vlogs and so on. So yeah, just look out for them.
Watch this space.
Yeah. Like
what are you doing?
Let's put on like a song. What song should we put on?
Oh, no. We don't want that, no. We don't want that, no.
I'm going to put on that new song. There's a new song by Darren, guys. Let me just play this before I get off, okay? Let me play this song. Right, guys. It's called Testing. Should we drop it?
Drop it for them.
1 second. So guys, this is on Akem Entertainment, so make sure you check it out.
No, yeah, Jamaica, so that's listen to Jamaica
song, yeah, exactly. If you want me to make, it don't know all the things set. A bag of girl text. Oh, easy for vex. Me don't want to be a girl, I want to be your side girl.